So 32 GB 係幾多啊？
邊期有寫？你個機嗰度頭先寫。
唔寫喎。I mean maximum 32 gigs 係幾多個 minutes？
If let's say 8 gig, it can be half an hour for full HD. And multiply 32.
8 gig 係幾多？ 30 minutes 啊？
Half an hour, 30 minutes.
So 2 hours 啊？
個 battery 用得就差唔多個半鐘，1 hour。
1 hour. So not 2 hours 啊？
唔到2 hours。
So it's 1 hour only.
Video 比較食電，因為你一直咁樣冇停咁樣錄。
Can I open the door and shoot without the glass? I won't run away lah. Okay. Which one is the zoom? Zoom I think. This one. This one?
Not that one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
That's right, that's right.
So this is the testing of the zoom. So this is just using my hands to hold it. It's recording and the zoom is very fast, so it's good. So what about the shakiness and stabilization? Is it good or not? You got stabilization, am I very good? The shakiness?
It depends on your hand. Depends on your hand. Just now you move like this, shake like this, of course you will.
Okay, if I use this tripod here.
Better?
This tripod.
Better?
But here, I think from the reviews in the internet, it says that the OIS is
stabilizer
is very good, isn't it?
Yeah, for Panasonic it's very effective. For iOS.
Okay. What about other brands? Other brands?
Sony?
Good or not? Did they get inboard stabilization?
Can't tell.
Huh?
Can't tell. Yeah, more detail can't tell.
Oh, okay. Camera is running too fast. Okay. What's the? Do you know the maximum per file? One the longest take.
It depends how long is the duration you are taking the video. If you're taking longer time, then of course you take more megapixel. I mean the file size will be higher. It depends of the duration of time.
You got 4 gigs I mean for one file maximum is 4 gigs
Format. They don't say gig.
No, I mean the file size of the file that is recording making into one file.
It depends your time. How many minutes? How many seconds? Yeah. It's depending.
So if I record this now, when will it stop recording by itself?
It's until the memory full.
32 gigs?
Yeah, if let's say built-in is 32 gig, you continuous, you don't stop it.
I'm not going to touch the record
button. You don't
button.
touch any. You touch record or no record. Is it recording or no recording?
Recording.
Recording means it's taking a space until it's finished.
When it reaches the maximum file size will we stop?
No, this one is unlimited.
Unlimited?
I mean, it's up to the how many gig built in. It will be continue to record until it stop by itself.
Okay. So that means after you stop it, or if it stop by itself, it will take some time to
Yes.
process the files into separate things.
Separate. I mean, if you stop record, that means the file they have a few file in a folder. That is the file. Every file they have a different duration time and different file size.
Okay, maybe you don't get what I mean. What I like to video is I want to continuous video. I press the button, I forget about it, and I go around shooting people.
Then it will take by itself. It will take by itself and take all the memory into the file in the memory card.
Okay, let's say this camera here, right? This one.
Exactly same.
No.
That one they have a limit.
4 gigs.
Okay,
The
limit.
file is 4 gigs.
Yeah, this one they have no limit video. You see, now you are continuous. You don't stop at all.
Yeah, but
now
6
it's
minutes.
recording.
6 minutes only.
6 minutes because it's running, ma. It's
But
still running.
that one is 27 minutes maximum.
The camera one, they have a limit one. They have a limit. Yeah.
This video camera does not.
Video camera, they don't have any limit for that. It's unlimited. Unlimited. Yeah. They don't stop by itself. Just like you are holding now, you just put it there, they will automatically record by itself until it's full. Memory full.
Okay. Okay. That's good. So this one can record when it's with the power cable. I mean,
yes, if you want for the time, you want to take a long time, then you have to connect to the cable.
Okay.
Because the battery only lasts for about 1.5 hours only.
Well, this one cannot lah. This cannot last for long. It's not fully charged. Do you have a cable?
No, actually we're not supposed to demonstrate like this way. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Alright? Because people who buy this video camera, that's very simple. They want to know the spec and how does the thing look like and the spec, features, what can do. Okay? We're not supposed to do like this way because this is not demo set. This is a new set.
Okay?
Even you go to the Sony Star or Panasonic concept shop also, they won't allow you to do like that.
Okay, thanks a lot actually. So,
Actually, what you want?
I want to buy this camera.
What you want to know about all this video camera? It's very simple. Yeah. You just want to know.
Yeah, because
you came is the second time, right?
Yeah,
My colleague told me this is the second time. So, actually what you want?
I want to buy this camera.
Yeah, I know. But now, so how?
So I have to ask you a lot of questions before I buy it because I also don't have much money.
Oh, not the money problem. Now is the problem is how you think about this video camera and
so far you say that it does not stop by itself, then it's good.
Okay.
It meets my expectations.
Alright.
So will it actually
any other issue with this camera or
video quality how?
It's a full HD.
Full HD, yeah. But I see in the internet they say it's some kind of pixels.
This depends of how you rate for the forum, okay? There are many comments about all the video camera, all the gadgets. We cannot give you the actual answer what you want, right? But we know that there is a
very good
full HD video camera. That's it.
So this is a very good unit.
It's considered is the good camera for video camera, okay? For the video shooting.
And the price is good.
Reasonable. If the price is about
but there's nothing cheaper.
1,000.
It's nothing cheaper.
Go for the digital camera.
It's not good enough. I mean,
it depends your expectation. If you want expect higher, then you pay more.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, the market is like that. Okay. You want something good, then you slightly pay a higher price.
So this won't stop after 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let's stop the damn thing. So if I were to buy this unit, right, I go home and test it, and it's like not if I press the button and it keeps on recording until the 27 minute mark and it stops by itself, then what to do? Can I return the thing back? No.
No refundable. No refundable.
But you're guaranteed that it will continue on past 27 minutes.
You want more than 27 minutes?
I mean, the ideal thing is equivalent to this thing here, 27 minutes. If this one can perform up to 27 minutes, then I'm very happy with it. Per file.
Okay. Then I have to ask for the expertise in Panasonic. If double confirm, is it whether it can be up to 27 minutes continuous?
Or is there a...
No. Even you read the spec and the internet also, they won't tell you that.
No.
Yeah. They're not really...
Okay.
Yeah.
So this performs at night well also. Not bad. This concludes it. And the problem is the battery it's very expensive. Do you sell pirated ones?
If you're getting this camera, my colleague told you is another one extra battery, right? How many other battery extra? That means you have to buy additional 300 ringgit for the battery. You already returned them 300. Yeah. But the third party one, actually you want the more reliable, you get back the original is better. No point you go and take the
original is a bit too expensive, really.
Yeah, of course, you pay this price, it's a quality price. Okay, you pay cheaper price, then you won't get that quality. It's fair, it's fair. Okay.
390 baht.
390 baht. They about 390 baht. After they discount the best amount.
如果你買嗰個 packet 399 maybe free one battery 80 got one more back one.
That means we have a package price. If you get with the 999, then you can get everything. Yeah, 799 just only the standard package. Okay, another package is 999, then you can get one extra battery.
So 200?
About 300 lah. If you buy additional battery, it costs about 400. If you buy with the package, come with the battery, extra one, it's only top up another 300 ringgit.
So
999 lah. If let's say you want extra battery.
Okay. That means it's like saying like it's 800 ringgit. That one,
yes.
This one, 800 ringgit.
Yeah, without battery, without extra battery.
Okay, without extra battery plus 200 ringgit. 200.
Get one more battery.
And the battery lasts for 1 hour lah. The problem is this one takes 2 hours to charge. I mean fully charge.
So if the first charge 8 hours.
8 hours.
The second subsequent charge you take about 2 hours to 3 hours full charge.
Oh, 2 hours, 3 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours
Even
to 3 hours.
you want half an hour also can, but it's not fully inside the battery power yet. Not full power yet.
So 2 hours charge for 1 hour's use.
Yes.
Okay. So 2 batteries. 2 hours. If I do the package, you cannot change anything because I don't need the 8 GB SD card.
That is standardized. Come with the package. Yeah.
Okay. So standalone, the battery is 400 ringgit. Okay. I think that's about it. Because I've gone around and seen. This is so far the okay one. Not bad one.
Okay, in terms of price, not more than 1,000 ringgit and have this type of quality for you. It's very good enough already for the video camera. Right? Unless you spend more than 1,000, you get more choice.
Okay.
More better spec you want.
Would it be possible if I just paid you 900 ringgit and get the battery, extra battery, and the camera?
That's very good price for this package. I think you have surveyed many shops around, okay? So I don't think so you can get this type of price in other place, right?
I guess so, but they don't carry this much unless it's the Panasonic shop there that one is too expensive
Yes, you know already. Then you know the price is our price is a very good price and reasonable, and also the package. Even you get one more battery, also cheaper than that. So what do you expect?
Okay.
Don't worry lah. This camera for average normal use is good enough already. I don't know what you want to shoot for.
I do events.
What events or how big is the function is. But it depends on the environment also. If you're bright enough, the lighting like this, I think should be okay. Not dim light.
Okay.
If dim light, any camera also same. If it turn out is very dark, cannot see well. Really.
Okay. So 9,000.
What event you are shooting with?
Marathons.
Marathon normally is outdoor, ma. Okay.
Indoors also got.
Indoor is like party there, or any function only indoor. But usually marathon, joggathon, or outdoor shooting. Should be no problem.
This one can swivel. Can it swivel?
Can. And twist the other side. The other side. Turn up.
So I guess that's about it. Cannot get it cheaper.
Really cannot lah. If
Come on
can,
lah.
I'm sure I give you lah. Okay.
Cannot one lah. All these things. I say you just sell it to me
We
for.
are not boss here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just employee here.
Employee
Not
surely got
employer.
discount.
Employee cannot because all the price is fixing by management.
Oh, you use a corporation.
Chain store.
Oh, how many?
6 store.
What's this place called? Foto Zoom. Man.
No, it's another company. Not Foto Zoom.
This is Foto Zoom right here.
We are Foto Zoom, yes. But other company is not called Foto Zoom.
Okay. So I go back and check the quality of the image.
Is it your card inside?
This one is very good very good. But what others do you think? Oh, that one there, the strange looking thing.
Yours is an underwater camera.
Is it good or not? I mean the quality. Do you know?
Both also video HD, full HD. The quality lens is this one much better. The one will be smaller size, the lens size.
Oh, you mean the big aperture?
Yes.
To let the light in.
Not aperture the lens diameter, anything also. This one more proper video camera. The one is I mean for the underwater shooting.
So it's recording to 18 minutes. So far very good. Because I was afraid that if it's full HD, that means the file size is bigger. Then you can only record like say 5 minutes and then stop, then 5 minutes again, then stop. So I guess it's not correct.
Old technology, yes.
Huh? Old technology.
Yes.
Okay.
If last time you compare with the old one, then there's a limit. Because of processor problem, you cannot take too many file, too big file inside the card, so it will automatically cut off.
Same as 27 minutes now. See, 27 minutes it will stop by itself already.
It's better than last time. Last time I think about how many 5 minutes or 10 minutes it will cut off.
Last time you're talking about is like 5 years ago.
Yeah, if you talk about that kind of technology is not like now. Okay, now is better technology. Will be more improvement already. Yeah.
Okay. So I think I'll just stop this video for a while. Yeah.
How many minutes? Don't stop first. How many minutes?
Now it's 20 minutes already.
20.
You want to go for until 27?
If the battery still got, then you can go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to try until 27 minutes, more than that. Yeah. See whether my battery can last or not.
Is it really recording?
Now is it video recording?
I think so.
Is it you are pressing video recording mode?
So there's an icon that is red there. So
it's video lah.
okay. And it has a light function, no?
The small light.
No good,
Close up.
No good,
Not for far distance, for close distance.
This個 battery 有 chip 冇啊？ Is it a chip? Is there a special battery?
No chip.
No chip.
Stop already.
No?
Your camera stopped already.
Yeah, it's after 27 minutes.
Normally marathon will be spend how many hours?
3 hours.
The start to ending?
3 hours.
3 hours.
I say in the no, it depends on the events because like say the Sunway marathon was like 2 starts, and it's a very short marathon, 16 kilometers. Yeah,
How many hours? 16.
1 or 2 hours.
2 hours.
Maximum 2
Then it
hours.
will be continuous. You will have to shoot until from start to the end. Video.
Yeah.
Video.
And some 40 kilometers, then that's something else. 4 or 5 hours. That's why if you buy this camera and it takes a long time to charge, then you have to buy extra batteries. Batteries can be a big problem. It's a bit expensive.
With this battery can last 1.5 hours. If your marathon about 16 kilometers can run about 3 hours, right?
2 batteries is enough.
2 batteries is good enough. But of course, maybe it will be slightly longer lah. Sometimes not exactly 3 hours, right?
Yeah.
The marathon.
Yeah. Then that's where this one will come in. The extra.
Continue with this.
What to do? Because I cannot like be tethered to this camera. The bad thing about this is because if you want to charge it, you have to be there as well because the camera will be there, sitting there, and then people might steal it. Habis lah. When it comes to this one is external battery. You can like charge it, then leave it there somewhere. If somewhere steal, then habis lah. I mean also habis lah. So it's a.
How are you going to shoot when they are running that time?
I'm not going to go with them.
Okay. So
I'll be at the start and finish area.
Okay, when start the time you start recording, right? So the people go.
They
so
all
that's
go.
empty.
Let's go away. Then I concentrate on the people still there around, the volunteers, the whatever organizers.
Maybe you're still shooting there lah.
Still shooting.
After shooting, then continuous shooting, no stop.
Unless I go to the toilet, then I stop it lah.
I thought you follow the runner all the way from start to ending 3 hours, come back
Nope.
to the ending. Or that means you can actually stop because after the runner is go already, then is
I can stop.
People is still there lah.
Yeah, but I don't want to do that because every time you go and watch TV, you see all of them edit here interesting.
They have no AC power plug there.
Toilet, Sunway pyramid, either Starbucks or toilet.
But the entrance is Starbucks is at the front there, right?
Yeah, front there. Outside there, you can use the plug. You don't need to buy a cup.
Okay, what? Then you can plug the AC power to the Starbucks.
But it takes 2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours to charge.
Not necessary. I mean, if you are linked to the power point.
Oh, you can still keep on going.
Keep on recording.
But I'm too far away from the.
Oh, yeah. Unless you put the extension wire. Yeah. 2 hours. Okay, well, you can charge like you buy additional charger while you are using this.
Additional charger?
While you are using this battery, you got one extra battery.
Extra
you buy the external charger, then you can charge.
Oh, external charger. Oh, they sell this one also.
Yes. The charger.
And how much is the external charger?
98 ringgit for the charger.
98 ringgit.
There's more like convenient one. This one finished, then you can use that one.
Yeah, but okay.
You already pay so much of the money. Just buy another external charger is not expensive. It's about 100 ringgit. Costing of everything maybe go in about 1,001. If let's say you want yourself convenient to do that lah, I suggest you buy one external charger. You can charge anytime. How many minutes now? 24.
no difference between the M and the with the 16.
V, the V got M and without M. Actually, there is the difference is
just the memory lah. No performance.
Memory,
no performance enhancement for the 16 gigabyte. No.
Actually, this one the M and without M, only the built-in memory they have M. This one without built-in memory.
But zoom is very good this one, huh?
Okay, the zoom quite powerful and steady. If you use tripod, shouldn't be a problem. If you use hand, very hard to say because hand is shaking, so it won't be so steady.
Yeah.
If you use tripod, it will be better.
I'm using the tall tripod now. Sometimes I want to do a zoom, then I have to extend the tripod up there and go around.
Tripod is much better because you don't need to hold every second, every minute. You just leave it there. Let the thing run by itself.
Yeah. Now it's already almost 27 minutes, so it's still going on and on. So it's correct what you said. It might go on and on and on and on. So
if you're more than 30 minutes, it's sufficient enough for you, this video camera, because it can run until 30 minutes. But even though maybe not until 30 minutes, it will be more than that. It depends on memory card space. If you have more space, then it will go until your card full, then your automatic stop by itself.
Okay.
It is not like camera. If you are talking about camera, the SLR one, if you capture fast, they have a limit to stop for the memory space. Maybe how many meg for how many copies in one shot, or how many shots, 10 shots for how many meg per second.
Okay.
That is the limited for the DSLR camera for shooting. Video, I think video camera will be more longer time.
Why are they using the DSLRs for
Video?
Why?
It's the market need actually.
Actually,
is whether you need or no need also is okay for the video camera with DSLR. It's one option features for you to use it. If you don't use it, then just leave it for.
But the quality is much more excellent for the DSLR because everything
must be a full HD.
The one
must be a full HD
they only
quality.
shoot for like maximum 5 minutes, then they cut to another scene and shoot again.
Yeah, I think the DSLR they have a limit for that.
No, it's not a video.
No video camera.
Not video camera.
Should be because even the camera shooting also they have a limit. You cannot shoot pop so many shots and then they're still keeping your file inside the memory card. They have a stop. Maybe after how many meg they stop.
Yeah. So I guess that's about it. This is very good already, 28 minutes. So
how many minutes now?
28 minutes.
28.
Yeah, sufficient already. So see you.